morning, y'all. It is the next day and we are here at Gainesville Raceway and we're gonna have a short day today. So unfortunately we haven't had any luck with this car. The car made 1,200 wheel horsepower on the dyno, so we thought, hey, that's good enough for a 9-second pass, and well, we were wrong. And there's a few reasons why this car could not make a 9-second pass. Number one, we think the turbos are way too big. They're 67s and we think 62s are a better fit. Number two, it needs a converter so it could launch at higher RPMs. Right now it's launching at like 2,000 RPMs and the turbos don't spool until 4,000 RPMs. I don't know too much about the turbo world. I'm a supercharged type of guy, so I'm learning as we go. But yeah, there's nothing we could do to make this car make a 9-second pass. So we're here to make one run and then we're gonna get out of here. And it would be super useful if we're able to use launch control because we could load it up to 3,100 RPMs, but unfortunately we can't use it because we have an ABS light that we can't get rid of. So anytime you have a check engine light, ABS light, any sort of light on the dash, you can't use things like launch control and line lock. There's a lot of things that are disabled if you have a check engine light or ABS light. Any light, really, you just can't use any of these things, and that's super annoying. And we tried to get rid of the ABS light and we just can't. And we have the chiller on and look what it does to the AC lines. Look at that. That's all ice. That's why I love the chiller, because it can really cool down your car real quick. And now we're gonna use the scan reader to clear all these codes. We literally have every single code up. It literally looks like a Christmas tree. So unfortunately that didn't work, but Matt told me that he could still use the trans brake. The only reason he wanted to clear the code so he could do a proper burnout. I guess the ABS light isn't allowing him to do a proper burnout. So I was wrong. I made a mistake. You could actually use the trans brake even if you have any codes up. So we stopped over at the HP Tuners RV and one of the guys from HP Tuners is gonna help us clear the code. Hopefully that all works out so we could go and make a first pass. So as you can see, the trans brake is not working, so we might have to do this pass without the trans brake. 11.7 at 132. So we threw some ice on it to cool it down, and also Matt figured out a way to get the trans brake to work. So hopefully cooling the car down, getting the trans brake to work so we could load it up to higher RPMs. Hopefully we could get a better run, because as of right now this car is embarrassing. Okay, we just got to be honest with each other. It's embarrassing. It's a 1,200 wheel horsepower car running 11s. That is embarrassing. So we just got to make it work. Trial and error. Like I said, this car was built in 4 days, and yeah, so far it's not working the way we wanted to, but hopefully this second run everything goes a lot better. 11.3 at 133. The car is running slower numbers than when it was stopped. So we got the Demon all packed up and ready to roll. We are all done for today. And also Matt told me that the trans brake did not work yet again on that last pass. So there's a lot of figuring out to do with this car. It at least is still in one piece. I was actually surprised that the car would make 1,200 wheel horsepower and still was able to make it through this entire journey here in Florida and Georgia. We drove over 1,000 miles on the car and raced it. So it's impressive that it's still in one piece. But yeah, the car is not ready to drag race. There's still so many more things to figure out. But now we're gonna hit the road and do some pulls for you guys, because I guarantee you the car is a lot faster off a roll than off a dig. Oh my God. Come on, let's race! Oh my God! Oh shit, the trailer! Oh my God! He dropped all his stuff on the trailer! He dropped... Let me get down, bro. Oh my God, hold on. Let me get down, bro. What the heck is going on, bro? Bro, he dropped all his stuff He did a burnout with a trailer, bro. This guy's insane, bro. Look at this. He dropped this box. Oh, these are some heavy boxes. How'd they fall? Hey, that was good. That was good.
You gotta go back and get the 11 back there. Look at him. Look at him. Oops.
Oh my God, bro. What is... So the Demon tried doing a burnout, didn't work out. He did it again! That was good. Oh my God, let these cars go. I want to show you guys the patch he laid. I'm moving, Honda! Look at that. Oh my God, then he went this way and that way. Oh man, gotta love Sick Week.
Got my Florida guy outfit on.
Look at this guy. We're not at the beach yet.
That's my Florida guy outfit.
Bro, you're like burnt here and then white here. Hey, that was great.
Have I redeemed this?
America! And this guy got his hood up. Why is your hood up?
I don't think I have any brakes right now.
You don't have what?
Brakes.
His brakes stopped working?
Have I redeemed myself?
Oh my God. He says he doesn't have brakes. Oh. That's normal. It's okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with this.
I know what happened.
What happened?
You popped off the back of the hood. I'll hook it up.
What happened?
You popped off of it.
We're about to get yelled at. We're about to get yelled at by Grandma. Oh, Grandma's about to yell at us.
Oh man. Florida is nuts. Talk to us, man. What are you doing on the side of the road to this Demon?
What we got here is a Turbski problem. So, I found a stick. And I'm gonna fix his brakes with a stick and some tape.
We gave her a little too much boost.
Because I'm Florida guy.
So he made too much boost, and what happened?
Absolutely.
The boost popped that fitting.
Little tee off.
There used to be a cap on top of there.
Right there.
And I'm pretty sure I shot it to the moon somewhere down there.
We think it's in the woods. I think he peed on it earlier. So anyway, here's a stick, and I'm gonna shove it in there. It's a metric stick. I made sure that it was the right size. There was a standard one in there earlier. It didn't fit quite right.
It has to be a Florida stick?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. If it happens in Florida, you can only fix it with a Florida stick. And then we'll wrap some tape around it, and it's just the brakes. I mean, if the brakes go out, whatever.
We'll just shove it in reverse, right? Theoretically.
Hey, Ronnie, if the brakes don't work, stick your foot out of the door.
I need you to Fred Flintstone it.
I'm
Just
jumping
drop
out.
the feet.
It's all my fault.
Yeah.
all my fault.
Well, at least you did 2 burnouts, and this guy can't seem to do one.
Hey, he got net now.
Ouch!
The computer.
Come on, we got some tires, and we need to burn them. You got to figure out a way to do a burnout,
The
bro.
computer is not allowing things to happen.
I think we could actually do a rolling burnout, because if the car's rolling, you could do it.
That's gonna handle any boost at all.
I don't think he could drive through.
Just get to the...
Be cool. And did you find out our part?
So you have a stick
Yeah, we
Let's
just
go.
do
and
that,
some
get
duct
clamped
tape.
and-
Easy fix. And now we're at Advanced Discount Auto Parts to get some parts to actually fix the Demon. And here's everything we need to fix it. Look at that. Where's the stick?
It just fell down.
So the stick and duct tape is not gonna do anymore. We're gonna replace it with this stuff. Bro! This thing's insane.
Dude, that is rowdy.
It's insane, bro. And she got a little thirsty, so we gotta feed her with some E before we head out and do some more pulls. So So Scott looks like he's making some friends with the local sheriffs, and we are more than glad that he has the cops occupied while we are out here doing pulls. And if you guys are wondering where we're driving to, we have 3 checkpoints we have to meet today, and these are the directions. So that's kind of what drag and drive is. You have to drag race your car, and then you have to drive to your next location, and in between those locations you have to stop at 3 checkpoints. Yesterday was 2 checkpoints, today it's 3. And the next checkpoint is the ocean. Look how beautiful that is. It feels so good out here. And we have finally made it to our final destination, which is the hotel. And I'm just ready to go and crash. We've had like the longest day ever. We woke up at 7 a.m. and it's currently 12:30 a.m. So I'm ready to put the camera down. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.